What if you could earn thousands of views without showing your face, without expensive gear, and without spending a single dollar? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create high-quality, faceless videos using just one free tool, Canva, and turn your content into a consistent income stream. Creating high-earning, faceless videos has become one of the most effective ways to build a digital brand, grow a YouTube channel, or even start a content business without ever appearing on camera. Faceless content allows creators to focus entirely on value, storytelling, and design, rather than worrying about presentation, video gear, or being camera ready. The best part is that you can do all of this using a free tool like Canva, which offers professional design capabilities, drag and drop ease of use, and a library of elements to support almost any video idea you have in mind. To begin creating faceless videos, the first step is identifying a topic that aligns with your goals and that people are actively searching for. These could include categories like personal development, business strategies, health advice, productivity hacks, or educational content on specific skills. You do not need to be an expert in every topic you discuss, but you do need to provide value. Research what your target audience is interested in, read comments on trending videos, and gather insights from forums and question-based platforms. The stronger your research, the more relevant your video will be to viewers, which increases your chances of gaining watch time and subscribers. Once you have selected a topic, the next step is writing a clear, concise, and engaging script. This script becomes the voice of your video, guiding the visuals and audio narration. Since your face will not appear in the video, the script must do the heavy lifting in terms of communication and impact. Structure your script with a hook in the first few seconds, followed by a sequence of value-packed points or storytelling. End with a strong call to action, such as encouraging viewers to subscribe or directing them to another video. If the script flows naturally and stays focused, it will hold your audience's attention throughout the video. With your script in hand, it is time to create the visual component using Canva. Begin by choosing a video format, typically a landscape orientation for YouTube or a vertical format for shorts and reels. You can start from a blank canvas or use one of Canva's many templates. The key is to match the visual design with the tone of your script. For example, if you are creating a motivational video, use bold text, inspiring backgrounds, and dynamic transitions. If you are creating a how-to video, use clean layouts, icons, and step-by-step visuals. Canva's tools make it easy to drag in images, videos, shapes, and text to bring your story to life without requiring any design skills. When building your scenes in Canva, keep each one short and focus on a single idea or sentence from your script. This not only keeps the video visually engaging, but also makes it easier to synchronize voiceovers later. Use animations and transitions wisely. Do not overdo them, but apply them to make key points stand out. Highlighting text or using visual metaphors can help drive the message deeper into the viewer's mind. Each slide should feel purposeful and part of a cohesive visual flow. Think of your video like a mini documentary where each part adds value and builds interest. After the visuals are designed, the next step is to add voiceover narration. While Canva does not currently allow full voice recording for videos directly within the editor, you can record your voice using free tools on your computer or mobile device. Many creators use external text-to-speech tools or hire professional voice actors. However, if you want to keep it fully free, you can narrate it yourself in a quiet space with clear articulation. Once recorded, upload the voiceover and align it with the visuals inside Canva's video timeline editor. Match your voice with the pace of the video, adjusting slide durations as needed. One of the most important parts of making faceless videos is ensuring your content is optimized for discoverability. This includes giving your video a strong title, an eye-catching thumbnail, and relevant tags. The title should be clear, benefit-driven, and spark curiosity. The thumbnail should visually communicate what the video is about using big text, bold colors, and expressive imagery. Even though you are creating faceless content, thumbnails with strong emotion and clarity perform better in search and recommended feeds. Think like a viewer. Would this thumbnail and title make you want to click? When your video is ready, export it from Canva and upload it to your platform of choice, most often YouTube. As you publish, write a compelling description that summarizes the video and encourages viewer interaction. Include keywords naturally in the description, as this helps the platform understand your content and show it to the right audience. Make use of end screens, playlists, and pinned comments to guide viewers into your next video. This flow is critical for increasing watch time and building loyal viewers over time. Remember that YouTube rewards creators who keep viewers engaged longer on the platform. Monetizing faceless videos does not just come from platform ad revenue. Once your videos begin gaining views, there are many ways to earn from them. You can promote affiliate products that relate to the video topic, offer digital downloads, build an email list, or guide viewers to a course or service. Because Canva allows you to create high-quality visuals, your videos can also be repurposed for different platforms, increasing your reach without extra production time. One video can become a short, a blog post, and a social media clip, all leading back to your original content. Faceless videos are one of the most scalable forms of content today. With tools like Canva, you do not need expensive equipment, editing software, or on-camera confidence. What you need is clarity, creativity, and consistency. When you focus on value and storytelling and package it in visually appealing videos, you build authority over time. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your existing channel, using Canva to make high-earning faceless videos is a smart, free, and sustainable strategy. Start with one idea, stay consistent, and measure your growth. With time, your content can generate impact and income without you ever showing your face.